Yo, what's up, everybody? Travis Peters making another video for you here today. We're going to be talking about ad copy because that's what we talk about here. I've been calling the show Bad Ads Marketing Breakdown, where I come across a bad advertisement and I rewrite it for you, give you the tips, give you the tricks, and help you crush it with your Facebook ads. Now, the concepts I talk about, they apply to ads in general, not just Facebook, but that's where most of us are right now. That's the main money maker in today's day and age, and you need the skill. You need to hone in your ad writing skills, right? We need to sharpen up our sales copy stuff, and that's what I'm here to help you do. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, hit the bell, do the things, and then after this is over, I got cool stuff for you below in the links and in the description that's going to help you. All right, let's get going. So typically what we do is I go up here and I click this little Chrome extension that you probably don't have because me and my team made it. All right, if you want it, I got it in the links below. I'm also going to use the Copy Hacker tool. You can get that in the links below as well. So I click the button. We suck in all of these ads. They're beautiful, right? Because we're nerds. We like to nerd out and geek out on marketing, right? We like to study ads. So I made this Chrome extension, and it allows me to pull in all the ads in my news feed, the stuff we really want to see anyway, right? So let's see what everybody's up to. Now, another thing I'll do, if I see a great ad, I'm going to tell you why it's good. It's not always bad ads. Sometimes it's good ads. So we're going to talk about that. All right? Dan Henry, he does a great job. All right, let's keep cruising here. We're going to find us an ad. Oh, look at that dude. It was one of my own ads. I better like it. Samcart. Samcart's a great company. Actually, subscribe to them. Here are first two things we help all of our top users, businesses doing over 5 million in revenue, in order to jumpstart their sales. See if we can double your sales. It's okay. I love you guys. But here's my thoughts is here are first two things. There's some little typo stuff here. Here are the first two things we help all of our top users in order to jumpstart their sales. Okay, a couple issues here, right? I'm going to use my little copy hacker pin. If you like this, if you want that, links below. Here are the first two things we help all of our top users do in order to start their sales. But here's the incongruency is if your business, they're targeting businesses who are doing over $5 million in revenue, they don't need to jumpstart their sales. They're already doing $5 million. So like an incongruency and inconsistency I see in ads and messaging all the time is we do this on accident. We're speaking to an avatar and we'll accidentally combine different levels of where that person is at. For instance, the first two things we help our top users do, indicating our top users are businesses doing over 5 million. So they're talking to $5 million people, but then they say, jumpstart your sales. That's a newbie situation, right? And then two quick ways to double conversions. And then right here, double your sales. I want to keep my messaging congruent. If I'm speaking to $5 million guys, I'm not going to use the word jumpstart. I also don't know if I like see if we can double your sales, because a person doing $5 million a year, they don't have, like, you guys don't get it. They don't have time to go and see something, test something, try something. A guy at that level, he doesn't want to go learn something. He wants the experts to take it off his plate. He wants certainty. A $5 million guy has got a staff. He's got a team. He's got overhead. He's got rent. He's got bills to pay. He's got sales to make. I don't want to see if you can double my sales. I would be interested if I could hand this off to you and you go double my sales. I'd be open to talking about that, right? And then two quick ways to double conversions. It's a little bit incongruent again with the top of the copy, the top portion. Two quick ways to double conversions. Now, they're a bigger company. They can put a ton of money behind this and get some likes and some comments and maybe even do okay. But if we're going to dial things in, you got to remember who you're talking to. All right? It's a little freebie for you. We could go and we could rewrite this one. First two things. I'll let that one go. It's okay. Clients and community. Join our free group. Want us to help you get more clients and build a thriving community around your programs? That's good. I like those call outs when it's like very direct, right? It's exactly what I want. Want us to help. Yes, like I'd say, yes, I want to get more clients and build a thriving community around my program. That's great. I like that. Join the most active and engaged group online for coaches and course creators. Inside, we'll share with you secrets on client acquisition, sales psychology, raising your prices, paid advertising, much more. That's so I guess the part that I'm thinking is like, I like the call out. That's what I say the first two lines are. That's your call out. This part down here is where it gets pretty bland. If they would turn up the sexy on what's going to be inside the group, again, using my copy hacker tool to just come in here and rewrite these ads, then this ad could go through the roof. I've seen these guys for a while. I'm assuming the ad's working. I've seen them run it for quite a bit. Some people I know and trust like them, so it's all good. It's cool. But if we could turn up the sexy on this, right? So client acquisition. Let's think about it. What could we do instead of client acquisition? Inside, I'll show you. I'll come back to that. Just something different than secrets. Secrets are okay, but man, they're pretty played out right now. So I'm trying to do something different. But what I want to do is think about the entire thing that's happening right here, okay? The full-on play is that they're trying to convince me. They're saying, look at this brochure, essentially. Look at this brochure and make the commitment and decision to jump through a few hoops and land here in my Facebook group. I know you're already a part of probably 30 other Facebook groups. You're probably on 30 to 50 people's email lists. You're probably getting blown up by this stuff all the time, but I want you to come to me also. So like for me personally, I'm not going to go join this group until I've got something sexy enough that gets me drooling and say, I got to go figure that out. I got to go see what they've got. And one of the best ways we can do that is through creating an open loop. We create an open loop in the reader's mind, and that loop cannot be closed until they take the action we want them to take. So here, the action they want to take is to join your group. Well, if I'm going to learn secrets about client acquisition, sales psychology, raising my prices, paid advertising, I'll just go to YouTube. I can go YouTube any of those things. I can go Google any of those things and learn something. So, man, there's a lot of gold in this little video right here for you guys. So here's a marketing principle you have to get inside you. The best sales copy you can write is the ones that can't be Googled. It can't be YouTubed. You hold the secret and you alone. So therefore they have to go and join your group. So let's see what we can come up with here. All right. Inside, we're going to show you and I'll probably come in and mess with this, but I'm going to rough draft things. Is how I usually work. The almost too simple positioning strategy that causes clients to literally beg to work with you. No more chasing leads. Yeah, no more chasing leads, or it's kind of played out, but we'll say it for now. Bugging friends and family. All right, what else? Oops. Sales psychology. So let's think about it. We'll show you, because let's go back to the principle here. The almost too simple positioning strategy. That makes the person say, I don't know what that is. The almost too simple positioning strategy. They can't go Google that. They can't, their brain, see, here's the problem. If their brain can guess what you're going to show them, they're not going to go there. They might be wrong what they're guessing, what they're assuming you're going to teach, but you have to position it in a way where their brain can't guess it. All right? This is good stuff. This is gold. I should charge y'all more for this. All right. Sales psychology. So let's think about what we're seeing here. How to easily tap into your prospects' head conversations in a way that creates instant connection and turns sales calls, I already used it, and turns sales calls into effortless enrollment calls. Come on, somebody. Now I'm getting excited about this group. I might have to go check it out myself now. Raising your prices. Right? Sounds like everybody else. Lots of stuff on raising your prices. But what if I'm going to show you how to charge what you know you are worth in a way, charge what you know you're worth. Okay, let's see here. And do it in a way that will often 2x and even 3x your sales. All right, that's a pretty good one. We can probably come back and tighten that one up a little bit. But do you guys see what I'm doing here? Like, when we turn this up here, we're getting into our customers, our prospects, conversations they're having in their head, like I mentioned here. But we're turning this thing up, man. This is what you do. I'm opening loops they can't close until they're inside the group or have taken the next call to action I have for them. All right. So the next one they're talking about is paid advertising. So we're going to show you how to create predictable lead flow in your business that you can turn up and down like a faucet. Come on. I'm hopping in the group right now. This is too good. How to create predictable lead flow in business that you can turn up and down like a faucet. No more roller coaster revenue months. Yeah, baby. Now, you want to put a little urgency. Little tip when you guys are writing stuff, little tip is you want to give people a reason to act now. It doesn't always have to be like, things are going away. Can be if that's true, but you also want to do another sense of urgency is talking about if you don't take action now, your life's not going to get any better. All right. So like here, I would say something to the effect of like, what could you do if you're joining a group? You could say enrollment or access. Could close any minute. Or here we go. Enrollment closes once our group is full. Limited spots. Or spits. Limited spots, right? Now all of a sudden, we just turned up the sexy on this thing. Now people are starting to drool over it. Now they're saying, okay, I need to know how to do this. I need to learn how to turn sales calls into effortless enrollment calls. I need to know how to charge what I'm worth. I'm tired of becoming an order taker, right? And doing away that will often 2x and even 3x your sales. Never be an order taker again, right? How to create predictable lead flow in your business that you can turn up and down as needed, or up and down like a faucet. No more roller coaster revenue months. Enrollment closes once our group is full. Come on. Oh, that's good. All right. So just a couple things to remember when you're writing ads. I want to open a loop that can't be closed until they take the action. All right. I want to create things that are, I want to take them from boring and I want to turn up the volume on it. All right. I say turn up the sexy. You can see the difference in what I created here as compared to what it was before. If you make these tweaks and your ads get just the slightest, a 1%, even a 0.5% conversion more, can have an amazing trickle down effect on the rest of your funnel. All right, so this is Trav, another episode of Bad Ads Marketing Breakdown. Again, make sure you like and subscribe. I got more of these coming. This is gold. If you want my help with your ads, if you want my stuff and my tools, click below and get it. We'll talk soon.